And in our passage through the rivers of the Philippines, we find this small variety of fauna living under rocks in the rivers. Here we can appreciate these small animals called prawns or gambas in Spanish. We found them always living near the shore. These crustaceans are called suro or sugpo here in the Philippines, in Bisaya and Tagalog respectively. Here I show you one of the many species that are found living in these rivers. Wherever you are from, I invite you to take great care of your rivers and the local fauna. Please subscribe for more content and the full episodes of El Médico de Aves.